So, hey, I'm Messiah.
Guys. Wait, today we're here with Fatima.
We're joining her on YouTube. We have our own YouTube channel, which is called
BF4L.
Best Friends for Life. I know, we just said Fatima.
Hey, girl.
And that's my brother. Okay. So, whose slime is this?
Fatima. So today the ingredients you
Put this on the glue. Put this on the glue. Put this on the glue. So now we're gonna make it with time. Okay.
Yeah.
So this all we need all of it.
We're just doing all the work.
Wait, don't pour all of it.
We can, cause
No, it's still some more. It's okay.
Okay, then.
All right, we're gonna pour this, and I'm gonna need you to.
Oh my God! What? She put it in her mouth. Okay. Okay. So hold this with me. Don't mix it. This mine. Okay.
So we just poured a little bit in there. Yeah. Now we're gonna mix it.
We're gonna mix
oh my God, Cesaria! I put it in my mouth, and look what it did. Oh my God.
Look at this, guys. It's making slime.
Okay, so.
Why you didn't come? We had to introduce you.
Oh my God! I got tied on mine. Oh my God.
Wait, who's needing it?
You guys already added the glue?
So when that happens, we're just gonna put some solution on it.
Solution?
And no, don't put solution in that.
What? You just said.
No, I'm talking to myself.
It doesn't need very much.
No, it's not done.
Don't put.
Just a little bit, like a little drop or something.
No, hold on.
Okay.
Stop being scared. Man, calm down. No.
Don't do that. Where's mine?
So we're mixing it to where.
This is yours.
No, the one that
You got
the one that's on the glue is Fatima's.
Oh, I did it. Yes, you did.
Mine's got
Mine's got tied on it too.
Yeah, mine got tied on it too. And
It's okay, just
Now
calm
it's
down.
sticky.
Mine's
Just
got
calm down.
stretchy.
So
Yes, it did.
as you can see,
Indeed.
it's been like this, but look at it. Oh my God, you guys, look at this.
Oh my God.
Wait.
I'm not mixing
We
it.
need some more glue.
I'm not mixing them.
I'm gonna need this one. Like I'm gonna start off needing it. All right.
Why?
So we added some more glue.
I gave everybody else a piece. Here.
I know. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give everybody a piece.
Don't give me a small piece, girl, because I'm not enough.
I know. Dang.
Sorry, guys. I gotta leave.
Where you going? So, as you can see, I'm putting glue in here.
Not too much.
Because I'm just making sure it's enough for people, you know. So, I'm gonna
Because it's 4 of us, you know.
So, I'm gonna knead this, and we put too much tied, as you can see. This looks beautiful, and I love it, and I want it, but I can't. So.
She said, and I want it. Girl, you messing up yours on your own. Come on. She adding everything.
Okay, nice.
Add some shaving cream in there.
No, wait. Ooh, you can add some shaving cream in yours.
Duh.
Bro, seriously, did you pass it out?
Okay,
Oh,
come.
look at
I'm
this
waiting for you.
Yeah, we waiting for you, girl. We thinking about you, girl.
What
I
the heck?
think about you. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Who had a leaf in here? Take this leaf out before
I can't.
Somebody before all this slime. It's right here. Bro, you put shaving cream in this.
Sorry. She ain't
Okay,
sorry.
let it dry. Yes, she is. Let it dry. Let it dry, and we're gonna put some more.
Look! Okay, Fatima. Wait, add this in there. This got contact one solution in it. Let me see.
Wait. See if it's minty and see if it's stretchy and stuff.
For me?
Oh yeah.
Here's some.
Look! Oh, I did it!
We did it, girl.
I made this. You know
No,
I did.
girl, I mixed it, girl.
Oh yeah, but then I started mixing it.
No, you.
Oh, I mixed
Here.
it. Oh, sorry.
Girl, you need to share that.
I know. I'm about
Stop.
Okay.
You
Slap
have.
you.
Is it doing good?
Stop, you doing something. Add some contact lenses.
Wait, no. I want to see if it's safe. Is it safe?
It's sticking to
No,
you.
leave it.
It's sticking to you.
I know.
How
Is it good?
that color?
It's cool, huh?
Cause it's tied in it.
It look like
No, it's because it's
it look
clear
like,
glue.
it look like it's gonna glow in the dark.
It probably will, because it's clear glue.
Oh, that's good. That's good salon.
Go get like 8 containers. Because I don't want it
We
mixed
can
up
ask
with
Janae to go
this.
get her glue with later.
Yeah. when she goes back to wherever she came.
Mine, you wanna have this?
No, don't give that hint.
He know he won't eat.
I know you want this for life.
Look at Kylie.
Wait, don't touch it. Don't
Are
touch
you
it.
almost done?
Yeah.
How come you got that on you?
Because
That's the only
just
place
say
you
it.
could leave
Look,
it.
Derry. We make it slime.
Whoa.
It's falling.
All right, y'all ready to get it?
Why you
Is that
showing
really
me
getting it? Is that really good slime?
Here.
All right.
Here.
It smells so good.
Here, Fatima. Here.
Oh my gosh, girl, don't worry. We
Oh
got
my
this. I
God.
got this. Stop.
Lamaya, open your hands.
Then.
That's how it's not gonna be sticky. You getting in this? What is
Go!
it?
Lamaya,
My son.
yours is gonna get mixed up with that shaving cream.
Yeah. Watch out.
Bro, what are you doing?
I didn't do that.
Oh my God. Can you please get it off of me, please? One of y'all.
Is this slime?
And it could be some of y'all slime. Because it's stuck on my... Oh my God. It is stuck in my jacket. Oh my God.
That's stuck on your jacket.
I don't care about that. I care about this.
Seriously? What's the difference?
This
No.
slime is big.
She
And
said,
it's on my jacket. Oh my
it's
God.
on mine. It's on me too. I need a shower.
Take a
I
shower.
gotta get a little...
For hours.
Alright, get your piece here, Cesare.
Look, it makes cookies out.
I had the little...
Oh, not even meal. Move!
Put that down.
They don't want you.
Whoa! Fatima!
It made a bubble!
Look at this! Oh my God, that's really good.
Hurry up, Fatima.
Look
Open
at
your
Kylie.
hand.
She's like,
I'm giving you the biggest piece.
I think I'm gonna mix them.
Wait, you just took some from me.
Jamari, move out the video.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, you already got some. Here.
This my cousin Jamari.
you already-
No!
Oh, they don't need to know my name. I got it mixed together.
Boy. Oh, you
Boy,
you
you
need to say their name.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not a YouTuber.
Okay, well, I
you are
am.
musically by.
She said.
I'm not musically or no more. So bye.
So, just to make this video fun, I'm gonna do something really
Oh,
funny.
bubble!
Oh, mother.
You guys can copy
I
me
just
if you
made a
guys
bubble.
want. Look, I'm making this video fun, so you guys want to see what I'm gonna do?
Ew.
She's
Look.
gonna add shaving cream.
Oh my god!
I'm not doing that. Oh my God.
Oh my god! Gonna do that.
That's a true YouTuber right there.
Jamar, get in the camera.
BF4L.
No, first. Ho, ho, ho. This is my brother.
Merry Christmas.
Come in, show your face. This is my brother, Jamari. Look at my son.
You got it on your jacket.
Okay. No.
No, Kylie, no.
Stop, Cam. Got you. No.
Take that.
Stop, Cam. Stop, Cam. No, come here, Jamari. Come
You
here.
Did you get that on me?
Yeah, a little bit.
You actually
You
got
want me to do
some
it
on
to
me.
you?
Yeah, she got
Come
it
on.
too.
Not on my hair.
Stop, Cam. I'm not gonna do it to you that much.
Don't do
Oh,
that.
that's a lot.
Don't do me that
Look,
much.
you only got a little bit.
No.
Look at me, man.
So everybody, show your faces.
Get it off me.
You're scared?
No.
I can mix these two.
Not him. you mix them? It looks good. I want to do it, but this. Stop, Jamari. I can't have that much on me.
Right here. You keep putting
That's
it
what
all.
I'm saying.
Oh, I shouldn't have did this. Oh my God. Okay. So we got messy in the end.
Exactly.
So
Something.
something. No, not me.